The way you look, the way you dress, the way you cook, the way you sex, baby, I'm thoroughly impressed. You got me open, I confess, like. The way you look, the way you dress, the way you cook, the way you sex, baby, I'm thoroughly impressed. You got me open, I confess. Got the answers to the test that I've been looking for. Every time you put it on me, baby, you be putting on. Love the way you throw it back, like you receiving and I'm your quarterback. Before and after, we be getting plans to be a quarter sacks. It's more than that, we be talking with each other. Hand in hand on the beach, we be walking with each other. Waist deep in the conversations we having. I'm so glad that we can share what we dream and what we imagine. I got a passion for putting you in the mansion, cause the way you hold it down is exactly what I've been asking for. I got you now so I can't ask for more, except for sharing your tomorrow. My time was never borrowed, and I wouldn't want a second back. Baby, you the bomb and I second that, yeah. The way you look, the way you dress, the way you cook, the way you sex, baby, I'm thoroughly impressed. You got me open, I confess, like. The way you talk, the way you walk, your eyes chinky when you spark. You was raised up in the A, but you like that I'm from New York. You like that I open up doors and pull out chairs for you. Treat you like a queen just to show I care for you. Pay for your kicks, take care of your nails for you. Cause you gotta look fly if I'ma be your guide. As I travel through your body, you gon' be my guide. Okay, I got it from here, now baby open wide. Just taking time to recognize I fly. Women who be holding it down like suffocation. We buy you things and reward you with penetration, but behind a great man is a woman who elevates him. Yeah. Cause all day I dream about success. Part of that success is having that person there, you know what I mean? That's how we do.